Hello students, my name is teacher Sarika Betkekar from Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School. So today with my video lecture I am going to start another subject, that is secretarial practice. So today I am going to start with a first lesson. The name of the lesson is Introduction to Corporate Finance. So in this lesson, we are going to study the meaning of corporate finance, duties of finance manager, and third is what? The decisions on the basis of corporate finance. First decision is what? Financial decision, and second decision is what? The investment decisions. We are going to study in detail these points. Students, if I ask you one question, what do you mean by the word finance? You all will answer me. The meaning of the word finance is what? The money. But in business word, the meaning of the finance is not the money, but also we have to manage that money. The management of that money, it should be in a proper way, is the meaning of the word finance. Okay. It is also related to the inflow and outflow of money. So what is inflow and outflow of money? Inflow means what? Whatever money business earns is what? Inflow of that organization. And whatever money the organization expending is what? The outflow of that organization. Okay, and the success of any organization is totally depends upon the efficiency with which they are able to generate and use funds. For example, जो organization inflow of cash and outflow of cash का proper balance करती है, वही organization को क्या होता है? ज़्यादा success मिलता है. The word finance includes two activities. First is inflow of cash and second is outflow of cash. And both these two activities are very much important in corporate world. There should be proper balance between the inflow of cash and the outflow of cash. For example, if the organization is only earning money and they are not expending, they are not on anything, they are not expending money or anything, it is not good for the business, and that business will not grow and that business will not achieve any success. And the second step is what? To make the proper planning about the use of collected finance. Whatever capital we have collected with the help of borrowings, we have to use that finance properly for the activities of the corporation. We have to restructure that capital properly and we have to make proper investment out of that borrowing. It is the second stage which includes in the corporate finance. Here, according to Henry Hogland, he expresses in his views that is corporate finance deals primarily with the acquisition and use of capital by the business corporation. Acquisition of capital. Acquisition of capital means what? What do you mean by word capital? Capital means what? Finance. Capital means what? Money. Capital means what? Fund, which is required for the business. So first we have to acquire that finance, we have to collect that finance, and second step is what? We have to use that capital, we have to use that funds properly in a proper way. So here after the word finance, here we have the new word corporate finance. So what is corporate finance? Corporate means what? Any business organization. The word corporate means what? Business organization which is doing business activity for earning what? Profit. For earning profit they are doing what? Business activity. And the word corporate finance deals with what? The raising and using of finance by the corporation. What is raising? Raising means what? Collecting capital. Collection of capital, acquisition of money. And using means what? Using of that finance means what? The proper use of that finance, proper application of that finance. Corporate finance means they includes two stages. First is what? Acquisition of finance means what? Raising of capital. And second is what? Application of that finance means what? Using that finance properly. So acquisition of finance means what? बेस से बेस जगह से हमें क्या करना है? फाइनेंस अवेलेबल करना है, हमें मनी कलेक्ट करना है, हमें कैश कलेक्ट करना है, जहाँ पे हमें क्या देना पड़ता है? वी हैव टू पे वेयर लो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. So it means only to collect the required amount of capital which is really required for the business. Students, see here, this is the flowchart of the finance and second one is the corporate finance. So finance, तो business में हमें cash कहाँ से आती है? Inflow of cash means what? Cash coming to the business, and outflow of cash means what? Cash is we are expending for the expenses, and in business we have to manage this inflow of cash and outflow of cash. If we can manage inflow of cash and outflow of cash, then only a business will get success, otherwise a business will not get any success. So management of inflow of cash and outflow of cash is very much essential in the business, and that is the word of the finance. Means what? Inflow of cash, outflow of cash, plus you have to manage that inflow of cash and outflow of cash. And now the second is what? The corporate finance. Corporate means what? Any corporation, any organization, how they deals with their funds. First they did what? They do acquisition of funds. Means what? They collect the funds. And second is what? They use that funds. So acquisition of funds means what? Collection of funds. They collect that funds from various banks, from various financial institutions, and also they can collect the funds by way of issuing shares to the public. Plus whatever funds they collect, they have to use that funds properly. They have to use that funds properly means what? Skillfully. And if they will not use the acquired funds, that business also will not get success. That corporate also will not get any kind of business profit. In corporate organization, there is the person, and that person is known as the finance manager. He is there to manage this kind of activities. What are those activities? Acquisition of funds and use of that funds. And finance manager is there to handle these activities skillfully. So here, finance manager. Finance manager means what? The manager who manage the finance of the company, the person who manage the finance of the company, and he has these four main duties. First is what? The firm has a adequate finance, कि firm के पास जो finance है business करने के लिए वो proper है या adequate है, वो उसको देखना पड़ता है. Second is what? Whether they are using the right source of funds that have minimum cost. Means from wherever they have borrow money, from any bank or from any business institution, it should be at the minimum rate of interest. And third is what? The firm utilizes raised funds effectively. Means what? The funds, whatever they borrow from the banks or from the financial institutions, it should be used effectively. And fourth is what? The owner should get the maximum returns. The owner should get the maximum returns, and owner should earn the maximum profit in the business. Here are two basic decisions of the corporate finance. So first is what? Financing decision, and second is what? Investment decision. What do you mean by financing decision? Financing decision means what? How much finance is needed in the capital. In the financing decisions, the owner has to decide how much finance is required for the business. So the firm has a multiple choices of source of finance. The firm can take the finance from, there are multiple choices are there. For example, there are banks, there are financial institutions from where the person can take the business loan. Okay, and the firm can choose whether it wants to raise the equity capital or a debt capital. Equity capital means what? They can collect the capital by way of issuing shares, and debt capital means what? कर्जा लेना. Debt capital means what? कर्जा लेके भी क्या कर सकते हैं, बिजनेस ओनर अपना बिजनेस चला सकते हैं. ओके, देन द फर्म कैन इवन ऑप्ट फॉर द बैंक लोन, पब्लिक डिपॉजिट्स एंड द डिबेंचर्स एक्स्ट्रा टू रेज द फंड्स. To increase the funds, to make the available funds, they also can do such kind of activity. Okay, and then the finance manager ensures that the firm is well capitalized, they have the right amount of capital, and that the firm has the right combination of debt and the equity. It is the duty of the finance manager to ensure what, whether the firm has the proper and the sufficient capital to run the business. Second decision is what, the investment decision. Whatever money they collect for the business, whatever capital they collect for the business, it is obviously for running the business. And running business means what, they are doing investment in the business. So once the firm has gained access to capital, collection of capital, the finance manager has to take the decision regarding the use of that funds in a systematic manner. The proper use of that fund should be there, which can earn the maximum return for its owners. जो ओनर क्या कर सकता है, मैक्सिमम रिटर्न्स उनको बिजनेस में वो कमा के दे सकता है. ओके, एंड फॉर दिस द फर्म हैज टू टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन द कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल. The cost of capital means what? Whatever interest they are paying for the collection of capital is what, the cost of capital. And once they know the cost of capital, the firm can deploy or use the funds in such a way that the returns are more than the cost of capital. The returns, whatever returns they are earning in the business, it should be more than the cost of capital. Okay. So students, in this video lecture, we have studied the important thing that corporate finance means not only collecting finance but also use of that finance effectively. So, आज के वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने आपको ये बताया कि कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस का मीनिंग क्या है. आई ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन यू द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस and the two decisions on which the business runs. First is what, the financial decision, and second is what, the investment decisions. In next video lecture, we are going to study the importance of the corporate finance. Till that, bye everybody. Take care. Thank you.